Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, I know this video has been long overdue, but just bear with me. Your bathroom does not have to be so expensive. Let's jump right into the video. Guys, I'm gonna put in the lights up here so yet because the electrician lost his dad, so I'm kind of busy. So for this basin or vessel basin or face basin, I paid $9,000 for it. I bought this here in Jamaica. I bought it in Mandeville. At the hardware called Pro Hardware. You can find that hardware at you can find the hardware across from Bishop Gibson, the school where the purple and white all girls. You can get that right there, and they have different styles. They have the basins that are round. The thing is, I wanted something that's way broader, so just in case anything spill, it don't spill too much. And the rounder ones are just not, they weren't big enough for me, so I chose this one, and I paid $9,000 for it. And it came with the middle piece right here. So this is the piece that you push right down here in the sink for the water to drain through, that I can push down in here. And that piece cost me, so it came with a middle piece to it, and that middle piece I paid $6,000 for the middle piece. So in all, it ran me $15,000. However, if I should have purchased it online, maybe, and it would have run more expensive. So that is the reason why. And a good thing me never made the purchase. The time when me don't make it, me decide to go look out here to see if me find it. So we're still here, and this is the faucet pipe. Can go both ways, but this way is for hot water. Guys, I don't have hot water, so I'm working with the cold water. It's matte black. I paid $24.64 for this, and it came with the black piece now that we can use to open and shut the basin. So if you want the water stay in there, you can just close it, and you can just do that and push it up. So that's what I bought. Now that I'm here, guys, this is the light that's supposed to go over here. This is supposed to go up here. See here. And they come, you can get one light, you can get two lights, if you want three lights. I think you can go up to about 8 lights, I don't remember. But I knew I remember up to 6. So I took the one with 3 lights. That comes with 3 bulb things. It came good, guys. I don't have no problem. It don't come with no crack. It don't come with no scratch. And this is it. It only one clean off when you're ready to go. And the light cost me $33.99. $33.99. And that should be less than $7,000 in Jamaican. And shipping is not in that money. This is something, so I have a towel. This is something I had a long time ago. I purchased it on Shein. So yeah, France, Paris. So you can get some like a fancy accessories on Shein if you want. So, but as me say, it's not that serious. Your house not have to be that expensive. Feel look cute. Cause here me say me just tell you, show 100 grand partner, and you're supposed to can buy everything when me tell you now. Alright. So we're gonna move on. Okay, before I move any further, this is the vessel base, so you have to build up something to put your vessel base on. Some people, I think them buy the cupboard with the shelf or Some people miss them put this down, miss them build the base deep and put it down nice. I never wanted it like that, so I do it that way here. So, and then you might not have to build this so long. I wanted it personally for when I buy my stuff, if I put my little makeup something on, I had space. So it could have go right here, so, or it could have go right here, so, but I wanted it to be centered. I'm sorry about the lighting that's right here. Remember, I don't have any curtains, so that's why the lighting looks so. So these are 16-inch floating shelves that I purchased on Amazon, and they have it in a longer lens. I knew that I wanted it over the faceplate, over the toilet, and the window was gonna be right here. So me buying a 20-inch would not work for me there. I would have to put it somewhere else. So for the floating shelves, I paid $35.89 for 3 of them. See me have everything in here. The fancy stuff I bought, some of those in Shiny Man. The little something there with the salt, I bought that in New York, and I have my candles, my soap bottles, and all of that stuff up there. As I told you before, these picture frames, I want them in black. So if I get black, I'm gonna change out the silver them and probably put the silver one in the room, because I wanted it to be all black. But we couldn't get no black. And when I tried painting them, the paint never did a hole. The oil paint never did a hole on them, so I only got to paint this one. I buy them in a China one, change out the pictures and the printing out of them. You know, this is our regular China man shower curtain. So let's jump right into this shower. This is the one that we call the rain down shower head. Want to clean up now? Never clean it. Yeah. And if me feel like if you feel like the water change the color, I have one we can replace because I purchased 2. I'm going to explain that. So it comes with the pipe. So you have a little one here where you can put on. I'll show you. So you change the volume up here, so there is water gone up here. So see here, so the water gone, so the tank run. So you have this, if you want to wash off your back and feel it. It's when the water run good, guys, you get a good shower. It has a grave up here back. Look. When the water run good, if you want to wash out your mouth and your water pressure to deep on your back, you can do that. And I think this head was 16. If there's any corrections, I'll make it in the video when I'm editing. So the shower head cost $33.99 for this alone. Let me explain to you now. Guys, if you have a regular shower in your bathroom, like you remember the first iron part where we screw on, the one we spray. They spray down, but the first time one of them silver one we spray down, you can remove that part, silver part, and buy the rain down shower head and replace it. I just take off the silver part and screw on the black part on it, and boom bang, you get a rain down shower head with that piece there for it. It's as simple as that. But guess what? I never know that when we purchased this time. Me never know, so me end up now say the shower don't come with the mixer. Run go buy the one with the mixer for how much money me I gotta tell the price of that one that we go buy. When the mixer come, end up see that the wall cut up kind of we head. See it here, it cut up. We put it in the mixer and if it cut up by the wall, which we never tried before though. So that is the mistake that we made. So you see me end up now if we put on one regular mixer, we only use cold water because we never know stay, and it just if you put on is by the regular shower, like the regular first time shower them with the little silver head. Me go find an example and show you too. Me never know so we did that I would just screw on this. Me go make one second buy again. And the second buy cost me $139.89. And it came with a smaller one than this. I don't have it now though. Come with a smaller one. Smaller head than this, but it come with a black chrome mixer that I love. In the future, I might spray off that in a black because the whole black thing is what I preferred. So we're moving right along. This is a soft shut toilet. Soft shut. You see? Yeah, that's a soft shut toilet. And I bought this in active furniture. Active name active, the big store they know where everybody I buy from. And it's a button press toilet and I paid $35,900 for this toilet. Soft shut, button press. I am good. If you don't realize, that probably just the toilet would have said the most expensive because don't make the mistake that I made when I was purchasing the shower head and go buy one next one with one mixer when it come it don't work. So I lose out a lot when it comes to the shower part of the work. And let me show you something. So I'm going to take my phone out. Look on the lighting that I have up here. I'm going to go in the room. Look at that. Look at that lighting. I bought it as popsicle lights, but me never, when me get the popsicle, when me get it, me never but I want them long it down. Me did prefer it short up with a little black and chrome. When me ceiling paint, it will look much better. So it's a popsicle or icicle lights. The light them want to purchase if you put over island in a kitchen or kitchen lights. That's what I purchased it for. But however, I purchased it so that I could have put 2 in the rooms, 1 in the bathroom. None in the passage. I want a regular bulb in the regular socket in the passage. So I paid $39.49 for the popsicle lights. 3 popsicle lights. So $39.49 for the 3 popsicle lights. So you see, me separate them. 1 here so, 2 in there so. And they give the place a more classier look. They give it a vibe. So that's what I love. For the island now, in the bathroom, I use for the island, I got a big porcelain tile. It's porcelain. It's porcelain tiles. I got a big one that matched back up with this. So this is just one. I just one big tile and I put it up here. So and it only want a little piece. So I use but a little piece over the corner. Simple. You buy a Chinaman, you buy them here, $200. As I say, I wanted them in black. I should get the black. I'm going to order those online because I want it to be all black, everything. So the bathroom mat, I don't know, see I did black already and I changed over the thing completely. The shower could have come around here, so but when you be now hot and I would take up, so probably in the future. So that's what I got. I'm gonna show you something. My babies can tell you guys, when you walk in my bathroom, I have these. They're called small spaces. You can get them in a Chinaman or you can order them by pack online. They make your house smell good, like as you enter the house. Remember, I have no big old house yet, so when you enter my bedroom, you're supposed to be and smell the aroma coming. I have them in my room, I put them in a small little corner, and I have like 2 in the bathrooms, and I have this. Because one thing I don't have in my house are air freshener. I have this. I bought it for $4.20 in Chinaman. I put it closer to my window so the breeze can pitch pan it outside and pitch inside. So guys, there are so many other stuff that I want for my house. Whole heap of other things because me as a girl will love decor and I love fixing up. But guys, if there is anything that you love for your preference, like for my decor friends, and you can introduce me to them. I'll put myself together and take my little time and buy them up. So if anything that's missing, I know I need towel rack, I know I need some more towels. I'm gonna get some towels, black and white preferably. Those are just for decor reasons. I know I need that. I needed to put somewhere in the bathroom. I don't know where it gets. I also gonna need a shelf over the face part. Me I get that too, but it's just not here yet. So me just buy my machine and taking my little time to get where I need to be. My shower, guys, as you can see, I don't have no shower, I don't have no bubble bath. I wish me have a bubble bath. You see, now when them gone to school, more up I love. But I see this DIY team when them buy so like a pool and put them in them bathrooms. So I'm planning to get a little pool to put it in my bathroom. So when I pick them gone to the bed at night and want to drink one little wine or champagne, me do that. Oh, I have another thing. They have this fancy thing that you put down in the shower, so no here, no big objects cannot go down, some like the drains. I purchased that for like 2.5 at the hardware. They have some nice fancy ones. I got one for 2.5. Guys, I've come to the end of this vlog. As I said, guys, if there's anything that you see that's missing and you have it in your bathroom, you can introduce me to it. What if you have another air freshener that you can tell me about that I can use to get some more fresher smell? You can tell me about it. And as I'm saying, guys, on a bathroom now, if it's expensive, they look nice. Buy some little things, buy some sticky things and stick them somewhere. Them have nice stickers that you put in your bathroom to make it look good. It's not that serious, guys. It's not that serious. So I hope that you did enjoy the vlog. Bye, guys.
Think we should do something crazy. Like say February.